Take a ride in the 2021 Tiguan. With Volkswagen Tiguan, it's good to be turbo. Turbo with class, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitoring system, turbocharged, blind spot monitor, electronic stability control, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, brake assist, daytime running lights, compact spare tire. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.